All right, now I'm going to be going over the hour of day script. So this is super helpful if you want to do any bid adjustments on every hour for the client. The more data, the better, but let's just look at the last 14 days. Like always, screenshot this for the visuals. Now we're just going to go in here and export this sheet. You just want to see the biggest cost ones here. So we have percentage, cost times a day. So 9 a.m. on Tuesday. So this is in military time. So it's Eastern. You can kind of take a look here and see like what are the most expensive times. So I would just do bid adjustments on these top 20 here. And this is not something you'd upload. So, but this for a visual cue, but bid adjustment to -5. Now this is your visual cue. Now that you have your visual cue, you're going to need to update the spreadsheet, which has the script of the 24/7 bidder. And if this isn't already here, you'll have to go to the add account maintenance checklist, click on master scripts. Within master scripts, go down to the bottom and click 24/7 bid multiplier. And you're going to have to copy this, come back to that account, go to scripts, click and create a new script and paste it in here. And then once you have that, you're going to need to go and make sure this is changed, this spreadsheet. This is the correct one for now, but typically you'll have to make a copy, name it something else, and then take that link of the newly created one, copy that link, go in here and paste it. But this is the correct one for this account. Now this spreadsheet is showing the days here and then the hours of day. So with this data, we can basically use our insights here to do bid adjustments here, and for forever it will just hourly check these times and do bid adjustments. So at 9 a.m. on Tuesdays, bad. So you just do -5. And then 10 a.m. on Tuesdays, bad. 10 a.m. on Tuesdays, bad. And then Mondays at 3 o'clock, bad. And that's basically it. So you did those changes here. So now the script is just going to crawl this, and you can even click. You can preview your script or anything, and it will just show it running through. You see that? You can go back to scripts, make sure it's running hourly, and it will do those changes every hour for you. So let's just share this with the client. I don't know if they even understand this, but I'd like to be transparent so they see the value. So hour analysis. Script. Yeah, we can just share this. Be like, er, um, Tuesday mornings are the most expensive times of the week. That's a good insight there for the client, and that's how you do the hour of the day script in analysis.